We have this program called PLCS Gratitude. We have lots of people here at Ashbury and all across this school district that love you and think you're the greatest thing ever and want to go that extra mile for you. This individual that we're here to honor, there were a number of different nominations that came in for this teacher. The parent nomination was particularly powerful. This parent had talked about this teacher and said, because of Ms. Buckley's efforts, this kid loves school, loves coming to Ashbury, and it is for that reason we are nominating for the month of December our own Ms. Buckley. So Ms. Buckley, please come on down.
Jess is just the most amazing teacher. The way she shows up for her kids every single day, regardless of what happened the day before, she gives them a fresh slate every day, and she just does whatever she can to help motivate them, to help them want to be engaged and make progress on their goals. She is just totally herself all the time, and I think that's what the kids appreciate about her. She is ready to wear silly hats and get on the floor and whatever her kids need to just be happy and make progress in their goals. She's positive with staff, with kids, with families. She's just great to have around.
That was really cool. That was cool. And one of my students was so excited. He was standing next to me and he raised my hand. He was very excited for me. So it's just cool to see all the excitement the kids have in that moment too. But very, very thankful. I'm so grateful to be a Knight. This school just exudes positivity. There's so many people who are on your side and on your team and willing to help you in anything that's going on. The kids are great too. They're just so excited to learn, and when they're not, you can usually get it in them anyway. So I'm just really grateful.
Thank you for being who you are. One more round of applause.